Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do a video about doing an edit for my Instagram account. I have 5 posts and 27 followers. Thank you for all the people that follow me, and also please subscribe and comment because I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give you a greet and also accounts that will be up higher than level 6. What is it? And the giveaway will finish on the giveaway will finish on the 10th of June. So if you're watching this on the 10th of June, sorry, it's already over. But I'm not going to use this account, so bye-bye UK account. I'm going to use my USA account because, yes, I love my USA account more than my UK account. Don't tell anyone that or I'll kill you. This site can't be reached? What? Okay, wait. MSP USA. Sorry guys, I need to go down more. Look at all the people that search this. Hey, I think. Oh! There's a bad fall. It's so hot today, like, I think it's a zillion degrees outside. My friend is calling with me, so yes. She's over all the way down there because, what is it? Oh, okay, wait 1 second, let me put my password. Okay, I'm in it, and what is it? So, I'm gonna do an edit. I don't know what I should do, guys. What should I do? Oh, I know, I could do no, I don't like the noise. It's way too loud. Yeah, much better. So, what is it? I'm gonna do an edit about shopping. I'm gonna it's gonna be really good. So it's gonna be like shopping time. But I need to find a perfect animation because the animation is the best part. Whoa! Plus 1,010. Okay, I have lots of star coins now, so let's go check. And what is it? Let's go to myself. Please subscribe to me, because I really need subscribers. Because my task is, in 5 more days, it's going to be the 1st of June, and my task was to have 30 subscribers on June. And it's so close to June, and I only have 34 subscribers. I need 6 more, guys. Yeah. I'm weird, or like being weird today. Sorry for sometimes you can't really hear me well. It's just I'm not speaking loud enough because, what is it? I don't really speak loud. I don't know. And also, what is it? What is it? What is it? Also, so I have this editor. As you can see, this, whenever I try downloading it onto YouTube, it takes so long to download on YouTube. I don't know why. Can you please tell me? My friend is crying right now. Sorry. Okay, I will be back because it'll take me ages to find an animation that's perfect. So I found this animation. It's really cute. I like it. But also, sorry, I like this animation as well. I think I sort of like that one more. Like, look at this one. Look what I bought. Yeah, that's cute. And like, it'll be like that. Perfect. Now, let's go to Movie Town to make an art book. These edits are just like thumbnails because, what is it? If you didn't watch my how to make a thumbnail video, then you're horrible. I'm joking, you're not. But let me do all the stuff and then I'll show you what background I'm gonna use and also, yeah. Guys, I think this is such a perfect mall because, I don't know why, it's just so cute. That was a weird noise. And I also did a video. Oh, you can't see me. I am very sorry. hopefully you can see me now. Let's go to Luna Pig. Yeah, this is the outfit I've done. I actually really like it. You're probably gonna see my cousin and me, 'cause I have way too much pictures and him and me, 'cause we are crazy. Actually, you didn't see. So, I really like this. I'm so excited. Wait, let me move the chair. This video is probably going to be like so long. Hopefully not. Because I absolutely hate videos myself for some reason. I think they're just so... Let me get a pillow. I just don't like them for some reason. They're so, like, it's just boring. Ooh, that's really comfy. Yeah, now you can see me, guys. Apply! Now I'll be doing some stuff and then I'll show you the edit. God, I absolutely love this edit. It's so good, guys. I don't know why I like it so much. Okay. Let's go like that. Because I made it really short because I don't really like those ones because there's just like nothing really to do. Capture, save, I don't care. Now, so I'm gonna magically make the picture appear there. 3, 2, 1. Guys, look how it's on! Yay! I really like this one. So, I'm probably gonna end this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!